Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play Through Eternity by GUC. Alright, it's a very simple and spirit-filled worship song. We'll play it in the key of C, okay? So I'll play the song, then I give the piano tutorial after. So let's go. Yet you still know my name. Before time began, yet you still know my name. You existed through eternity, yet you still know my name. Elohim, Elion, you remain the same. Adonai, what an awesome God you are. Elohim, Elion, you remain the same. Elohim, Adonai, what an awesome God you are. This kind of love I never seen. This kind of love, no man can give. This kind of love I never see. This kind of love no man can give. Alright guys, so I think that's the rundown of the song, and so I'm going to show you how to play the song right now. Okay, so this is how the intro of the song was going. Okay, so when doing that with your right hand, that's la do re mi fa sol la la do la do la do la do la la la. So this is what we are doing with our right hand. La do la la la. Voila. Mi so mi. Alright. Ti re ti. Alright. So why doing that? The first time, la do la la, you play G. Okay, 4. That's F major broken chord. Alright. With your left, then you go to the 1. Mi so mi now. Ti re ti. I do it again. So why doing ti re ti? Alright, you are playing the 5, that G major. Alright, now. Alright, then the second time when you do that, you take la do la ti do fa, la ti do ti. Yeah, before time began, yet you see no man. Alright, now this time around, so the intro is 4, okay, 1 and 5. Now when you want to play the song itself, now we start with 4. Being here 4, being here before time began, yet 5 you still. Now 6. Alright, you existed 4 and 1 and 10 and 5 and 1 6. Alright, Elo 4, Eliho 1 and 5 and 6. Hey, I'm 5 and 1 and 5. Elohim, Eliwan. putting 6 is a bit kind of strategic, right? So I take it all over. This kind of love I never see. This kind of love no man can give. Alright, see, 6 is entering here. Alright, but now when you are doing alright, 6 enter. You existed through eternity. Yeah, you still enter. Voila. Now Elohim 4. Elohim 4. Elion, one and awesome God you are. 5. Elohim. And I see 6 doesn't enter here again. This kind of love I never see. This kind of love no man. This kind of love I never see. This kind of 5 and 6. Right, so guys, that's all about the chord progression of the song. It's a very simple one, right? So thank you for listening, and may God bless you immensely. Do it to subscribe to my channel.